Today, we'll walk you through the entire process of registering for OKX and completing the KYC verification step by step, clearly and easily. First, let's sign up for a new OKX account. Download the OKX app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Next, make sure your country is set correctly to where you live. Agree to the terms and tap Next. Now enter the email address you'd like to use for your account. After tapping Next, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email. Once you verify your email, you'll also need to verify your phone number. Enter the code sent via text message on your mobile phone. Now, you'll be prompted to set your password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes an uppercase letter, a number, and a special character. A biometric verification pop-up may appear, but this step is optional. You can simply tap the X button to close it. To access all trading features on OKX, KYC identity verification is required. Click Get Verified in the center of the screen. Alternatively, to begin the verification process, click the 9-dot icon at the top left corner to open the personal info page. From there, tap Verify Your Identity. Click the Verify Now button at the bottom again. If the information under Confirm Where You Live is correct, simply tap Next to continue. The whole process takes under 10 minutes. Select the ID type you would like to use for verification, then tap Next. Now, scan the front and back sides of your ID. Make sure your ID isn't cropped, blurry, or affected by glare. Next, you'll be asked to verify your face to complete identity verification. Remove anything covering your face, take off glasses, clean your front camera, and make sure the lighting is good. After your selfie, the review may take up to 2 minutes. While waiting, feel free to explore the app while you do. If your ID photo was taken clearly, your personal information will be filled in automatically. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm. This is the final part of the process. Please make sure the city and state match your current place of residence. For postal, simply enter your zip code. Once you've completed these steps, your KYC verification is done. The review usually takes around 2 minutes to complete. In most cases, the review is finished quickly, but occasionally, it may take a bit longer. If that happens, you can check your verification status directly from the main screen. And that's it. From creating your OKX account to completing KYC verification. We've broken it down step by step, so even beginners can follow along with ease. Wishing you the best on your trading journey. Thanks for watching.